We're testing if pressure washing your engine is a good idea or not, so you don't have to. So most of the time when you're driving along, you don't worry about what your engine looks like. And when you clean your car, you do the outside, you think to yourself, well, it'd be nice if I polished up the inside, but I'll probably just save that for when I sell it. So then basically after 100,000 miles, this is what you end up with, is an engine bay that's just a bit grimy and rank. So it's just not really ever that urgent to bother cleaning it. So I did a bit of green laning the other day, and when I came back I went to go and fiddle about with something under here, and then I saw this. This is literally a situation where I cannot leave it. It's got all over the air filter, it's got the alternator, just absolutely, completely caked on. Alright, so just have a close up and have a look in here. Absolutely unbelievable. Probably doesn't help that the seals are all, the inner wings all rusted out. But look at that. Absolutely crazy. So, the time has come to have a go at pressure washing this and see if we can sort it out. Look at that, the ECU, look. The air filter, at the very least, it's got to have itself decaked. Okay, so let's make a plan. Okay, so obviously I'm making this up as I go along, but if this works, then you too can use this as your action plan. So we are going to warm engine, not like stupidly hot, but just a little bit warm. It is -1 degree out here today. Right, then we're gonna cover the electrics and the air filters. Right, 3, actually do the clean. 4, dry the thing. 5, test. Let's see if we can actually drive away. Plastic bags, and masking tape, or parcel tape in this case, to go over the bits that we don't want to get wet. There we go. Alright, that's broken, that one. Let's try this one. There we go, that's going to be absolutely watertight now. Nothing can get in there. Lovely. Alternator. Tricky to cover really in its entirety, but I'll just stick something over the top. That's where the water's going to be getting in from. There we go. Right. Let's see what happens. That's cooking lovely. Alright, on first inspection it's actually working really easily. You can see somebody's painted the numbers in there, lovely, good job. Alright, I'm just going to carry on. Big question really is, even though it's going to get clean, can we actually start the thing? well, that is looking a lot better than what it did. The question now is what I'm going to do with this alternator. Right, I'm going to get a brush, see what happens. Alright, I found a broom. That's as good as it's going to get. I'm sure if I just get the air vents clear, that's all it really wants. Too hot. Alright. There must be some things to do to stop this from happening every time I go in the mud. Still, at least I was able to drive home. Did not let me down. Alright, that'll do. Next, it's crazy really, because I actually literally split the bag with the pressure of the water. Right, let's whip this off, give it a bath. Okay. Alright. Didn't think I'd be taking this off so soon after the last time I took it off. Alright, time for a bit of laundry. Hot soapy water. Oh, still caked on. Right, time to put the air filter back on, and that leaves the last, very crucial step. Well, actually two crucial steps. One is finish, and the other one is, will it actually start again? There we go. It's a pretty good reason not to put one of these K&N style filters on there, because this gets absolutely covered in mud all the time. And it's hard to clean. So here we go. Set your leaf blower to blow. An absolutely crucial step to do that. Alright, here we go. MOT. Alright, it's firing on most cylinders. Alright.